Once upon a time in a forest lived an owl who played the flute. Now this owl was no ordinary owl. His name was Ali, and he wasn't satisfied with just hooting. He wanted to make music. So he got himself a flute, and he practiced and practiced until he was really good. All the animals in the forest loved his music. But one day a big storm came, and it blew Ali's flute away. It flew over the hills, and it landed at the bottom of a deep, dark cave. Now Ali was very sad. He couldn't make music without his flute, and besides, that was a magical flute. It was made from a bamboo that grew on the top of a mountain where the air was so pure. Each note that it produced had a little bit of magic in it. So Ali decided to go look for his flute. As he flew over the hills looking for his flute, he saw lots of wild animals. There were deer with sharp, pointy antlers. There were wolves with sharp, pointy teeth. But Ali wasn't afraid because he had his trusty bow and arrow. Then he came to a river, and on the other side he saw a bear. The bear was big and fat, and he was blocking the way. Ali didn't want to get too close to the bear, so he took an arrow, and he shot it towards the bear's paw. The arrow hit the bear's paw, and the bear howled in pain. Then he started to dance. "What? Why am I dancing?" asked the bear. "Because that's what my magic flute makes you do," said Ali. "Can you help me find it? I lost it when I was flying over your hill." The bear stopped dancing and thought for a moment. "I don't want to hurt you, little owl, but I'm very hungry and you look very delicious." Now Ali was very clever. He knew that if the bear attacked him, he would be very quick. To get out of the situation, he pretended to be scared and slowly started to fly backwards. The bear stood up on his hind legs and started to chase after Ali. And as he chased him, they went back over the hill and they saw Ali's flute at the bottom of the cave. "Hooray!" shouted Ali, and he flew down to grab his flute. Then he played a few notes, and the bear started to dance again. Wait," said the bear. "I give up. You win. What's the magic in this music?" And Ali said, "The magic is that whenever I play this flute, the person or the animal who hears it can't help but dance." They both looked at each other, and then they started to laugh. The bear laughed and laughed until his sides hurt, and when he stopped laughing, he said, "You are a funny little owl. But now, I'm even hungrier. How about some fish?" And Ali said, "Sure." They both went down to the river, and the bear caught some fish for them to eat. After they ate, Ali played some more joyful music, and they became friends. From that day on, Ali and the bear would meet by the river every day, and they would have picnics and listen to music. And all the animals in the forest who heard their laughter and their music would come and join them. They would bring berries and nuts and fish. They would all eat together, and they would dance and sing. And they all lived happily ever after.